Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you that haven't been here before, welcome, how are you? Thanks for tuning in and saying hello. Leave me a comment if you're new and this is the first time you've watched any of my videos. I do lots and lots and lots of unboxings. So for the rest of you, as you can probably see, I am having a bit of a filming day. I've had quite a few boxes arrive today. There's one hiding in the back which I'm yet to unbox, but this also arrived. So this is my Latest in Beauty unboxing. So for those of you that don't know, Latest in Beauty is a subscription box service with a bit of a twist. So you choose how much you pay and you choose the items that go in your box. There's 3 different prices and there's 3 different amounts of items that you can choose from. Every month they have several pages on their website, I will link all the details below, of where you can go and select all the different products that you want, and then it gives you the price of how much it's going to be. You can change your subscription at any point, so it gives you a lot of versatility as to what you want and when you want it. So a couple of months ago I got really super duper excited and actually started getting a slightly bigger box. I get 6 items. I used to only get 3, but there's been so many good things recently that I've just not been able to stop myself from having 6. So let's dive right in and see what I've selected. So every month you get a cute little card and normally you get a little sweet treat. I've not had a sweet treat this month, which is a bit of a shame, but I don't mind. I don't mind. It's summer. I could do with being on a bit of a diet. Okay, and then we've got all the goodies in here. Okay, so the first thing I have is a sheet mask, but this sheet mask is slightly different from all the other ones I've ever used. This is a Tropez bronzing sheet mask. So basically it's a self-tan in a face mask. Now you get to choose how dark your tan is going to be. You can have 5 minutes for light, 10 minutes for medium, or 15 minutes for dark. So this is not one to leave on in the bath. This is a quick, definitely quick, have a go and see what happens. Yeah, I'm super excited to see it. I have seen a few of these floating around, and I think I've seen them in Boots and they're like £5 each. So yeah, these should be very fun to try. However, just to play it safe in case it all goes wrong, I do have this product. So this is a full-size St. Moritz tan off mousse. So this is an advanced pro formula self tan remover, and it's basically apparently like a foam, so you rub it onto your skin and it dissolves fake tan. So this is a really good way to remove fake tan mistakes. At the same time, if you come to the end of your tan and you want to just quickly remove it without having all the exfoliation, this could be a really good product for you. I can't believe it's 200 mils, it's full size, so I'm really excited to see this in action. Next I have 2 products which are very similar, so I'm going to show them you in the same ilk, and it is these 2. So these are the Bedhead Tigi Totally Beachin shampoo and conditioner. Now these are 75 mils, but perfect for holiday travelling, and they're meant to be like mellow after sun conditioning for your hair. So it's a cleansing jelly shampoo and a mellow after sun conditioner. Yeah, I do really love Bedhead products. I think they are great. Oh, that smells nice as well. Kind of like watermelon, or really orangey, and let's have a little look. Yeah, so definitely smells of summer. Very, very good. I needed some new shampoo, so I thought it was quite handy to pick these up, and they looked quite fun too. I also picked up a little Queen Beach from Bedhead. This is basically a salt spray. So you basically just spray it on your hair, and it's meant to give you some more texture. And you can do it either wet or dry. I'm just gonna hold that down. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Yeah, sort of, maybe. I don't know, what do you guys think? Have you ever tried these salt sprays before? It smells gorgeous though. I'd absolutely love to just spray it all over my face. Okay, and last but not least is a lipstick. So this was kind of like a bit of an impulse because I couldn't really decide what the last product was that I was going to get. And this is really weirdly shaped. I don't know if I like the shape of this or not. It's kind of like, it's meant to be like cut like a diamond, I think. But then it just makes it like really hard to use. It's a nice neutral nudie colour, and it's called Savors Powder, made in the USA, and it's a Natasha Cox lipstick. I'm not quite sure who Natasha Cox is. I think I'm going to have to look it up, but I always like to have a spare lipstick in my handbag, so yeah, kind of handy. So guys, that's everything that I picked up in this month from Latest in Beauty. Let me just show you again what I've grabbed. So 2 of the Bedhead shampoos and the salt spray. I'm not going to fit this in my hands. A lipstick, self-tanning sheet face mask, and the Maritz mousse off self-tanning thing. Yeah. So I am very happy with my 6 products this month. So guys, let me know what you picked up this month. I've really enjoyed choosing these products this month. I'm very excited to get on the face tan and use this. I'll definitely be doing a demonstration with them. Yeah, so that's everything from me for now. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of video, and hit that notification bell if you want to see these products reviewed. Take care guys, bye.